Hi, greetings, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, dear friends. How are you today? If you're feeling stressed, maybe tired, exhausted even, then you're going to really enjoy this very short guided meditation. It's a breath-based one because, as you know, breathing is the fastest way to invite a sense of calm and balance to the nervous system. When you breathe, especially when you take these deep, full yogic breaths, you kind of like let the brain know that, hey, it's okay. The threat is over. It's okay. We're calm. Things are sorted. It's all right. So I really encourage you just to use these short guided meditations, short breathing exercises or yoga tips as a way to help you restore some sort of harmony and calm and balance to your day. Particularly for like most of my students, most of my clients, sort of like super busy mamas out there, rushing, doing your thing, getting food on the table, literally out there, earning the money to put the food on the table, to feed the family, healthy, nutritious meals, whatever your game is, whatever it is. Use these space, this sort of slash stress, slay your day space to take some time for yourself. Because as you know, you can't give, you can only give so much before you start to totally flag out. Alright. So as usual, anytime you come to do a meditation or a breathing exercise, use the first few moments just to focus on your posture. To sit up, if you're sitting, or if you're standing, to lengthen your spine. Always get a sense of trying to create space in your spine. You want to get as much space as you can between your ears and your shoulders. So think about having your little tip, make a fist, yeah, and place that fist. Can you see what I'm doing? I've got my thumb on top of that Adam's apple. Just make a fist like that. Okay, so everything's nice and secure. Slide your hands away, and then just notice how your head feels now on top of your shoulders. Feels good, doesn't it? So sit up nice and tall. We've got space between our ears and our shoulders. And then I invite you to either have a soft gaze, look down towards your nose, or you can even close your eyes, whatever rocks your boat. And then just take a moment to take that full first breath in and breathe out. Any which way, doesn't matter, for the nose, for the mouth. Just to get a sense of calm in your day. And as you start to notice how you're breathing, set your intention. An intention could just be that for the next 5 breaths, I'm going to sit. I'm not going to be distracted. I'm going to allow myself to focus on myself and breathe. That's a perfectly fine, noble intention. In fact, I'm going to use that one. So set your intention, whatever it is you're looking to release, to let go, to have more of, just set your intention to use the next 5 breaths with me together, focusing on our breath and inviting a sense of calm into our day. So let's sit up tall, chin tucked in, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Full breath in, full breath out. One more, full breath in and a full breath out. And if you wish, feel free to get up and go about your day. Or if you wish, feel free again just to stay still a few more moments with your breath. Just noticing what you notice about the mind and the breath. Stay connected with the breath, noticing the in-breath and observing the out-breath. The in-breath and the out-breath. If you're still sitting, do 2 more. Full breath in and a full breath out. Full breath in, last one, full breath in and a full breath out. Well done, well done. And just rub your palms together. And as they feel that warmth, you can feel that warmth, that tingling sensation, keep rubbing your palms. And then just softly bring your warm palms, cup your eyes, lower your head down. Well done. Well done, dear friend. Well done. Give yourself a hug. Pat on the back. High fives. Awesome. Well done. Very proud of you. Well done. You've taken another step in your journey to cultivating the habit of knowing how to calm your nervous system just like that. Anytime you feel stressed, exhausted or overwhelmed, you're learning the skills to come back to centre so you can be your best self, so you can shine and just be there for your children and your work colleagues. Okay, so take care. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Watch the replay as well. I really appreciate that. Let your friends know, loved ones, friends, let them know, share the video so that we can all generate a bubble of calm over the whole universe. Yeah, that'd be great. Alright, take care now. Lots of love. Cheers. Namaste. And I'll see you tomorrow.